Why is he so childish? Why does he act like a child? It's a fascinating form of rhetoric because manics recede back to this sort of correlation between adolescence and impulsivity, which you find, studies have shown you find far more.
Perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the pre-conscious, or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics.
Autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this
stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented?
Emotional fluctuation. You have former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of phenomenon.
You know, there's green 40 hertz. If your A chord consists of 440 hertz. So when you double the 440 hertz, you get 880 hertz. That consists